Prime Minister is on abroad tour, sir.
Honorable Prime Minister is always on the tour. Okay, he's not bothered about domestic issues. He's not bothered about local problems. He's only bothered about international issues. The Honorable Prime Minister should talk about NEET. The Honorable Prime Minister should talk about price rise. The Honorable Prime Minister should talk about the problems facing India and Indian youths. So, only just giving sermons will not solve the problem.
No, that's fine. But what has been the benefit for the Indians so far? He spent more than 850 crores so far. And besides the self-proclaimed title of being Vishwaguru, what else have we got? Tell me. Name one country tour that has benefited India in long term. You are supposed to be the Vishwaguru. What is the price of petrol and diesel? Are we energy sufficient? Are we self-reliant on that? You were supposed to have the, you came up with that big slogan, no, Atmanirbhar Bharat. What happened to that?
Sir, today Kerala Chief Minister taken as a taking oath.
So this is the beginning of good governance in Kerala. Last decade has been extremely bad for the people of Kerala. They have looted even in the name of God. Even Sabrimala gold also they looted. So now people expectations are extremely high on the Congress government, and we will deliver on good governance.
Sir, after increasing petrol diesel price hikes, BJP leaders are moving in metro and other.
That is only you move away your cameras, automatically they will come back to their old habits. The point is what made BJP leaders climb the metro, climb bicycles, use public transport? Who's responsible for this? Just by putting Instagram reels on BJP minister, BJP leaders taking public transport will not ease the woes of common people.
On